Hello, this is Kaitlynn Ketring's case artifact, and it's a smartboard activity. These activities are examples that cover Indiana state standards of K14 and K15. These standards include dividing sets of 10 or fewer objects into equal parts and dividing shapes into equal parts. So starting with the first example, since fall is upon us, I decided to create apples, and this example says, move and divide this larger group of apples into different, equal, and even amounts. And so each class you can have a different amount of volunteers and choose different numbers. You can either show them on the smartboard, or you can just have a piece of paper showing them how many you actually want. This second part has to deal with the K15, which is dividing shapes. And this says, divide these shapes up into as many equal parts as they can be split, up to 10 with the smartboard pen. This gets students walking up to the board and interacting with the board by allowing them to use the pen to section off either the rectangle, square, or triangle in as many equal parts as they can. Now, they can do this right and they can do this wrong. And even if they do it wrong, it's a great learning experience. So, for example, the triangle can only be divided up into the equal parts, splitting it in half. And if students continue on trying to divide more, you can learn from this experience and show them how it can only be divided up equally. The third example is a fun one. Everyone loves cookies. Everyone loves fall. And so this question is, Jonah is having a fall party with 10 people total. Help him cut his cookie cake into 10 equal pieces. And so they can either do this in their squares or cut it up like a pizza. And so this is a great way to just show a real-life division with an object that most to all students actually love. And so, back again, this is just a fall theme fun. Normally you can have plain backgrounds, but since it's fall, I figured why not do this fun thing. And just when you're using it in your classroom, make sure it relates to what's going on. And so students will find this to be more enhancing and entertaining to them, as well as them actually learning from what you're saying. Thanks.